Marketing is very closely related to a country's economy, and even though it may play an invaluable role in an economy, it ensures that manufacturers tailor their goods towards the needs of the consumers. ClickBank is an affiliate marketing program that markets digital products, giving them a presence online. And the exciting part about this affiliate marketing platform is that you can earn money. Yes, you heard that right. So what does ClickBank has in store for you? And how can you start earning money as a beginner? Hello and welcome back to our channel. Have you been looking for a place to earn money online in the comfort of your home? And you want to know how to use ClickBank to make money as a beginner? Well, grab yourself a notebook and a pen. In today's video, we are going to explain what ClickBank is, how it works, and how can you start to earn money in 2022 as a beginner. And if you may have heard of the platform and you have not been able to earn anything on it, we encourage you to stay, because we will give you some tips on how to maneuver the platform like a pro and earn money while you're at it. So subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell if you haven't done so already. And without further ado, let's start the video. What exactly is ClickBank? As we had mentioned earlier, ClickBank is an affiliate marketing platform that connects over 6 million digital content creators who market different digital products, such as ebooks and online courses, to consumers, of course. ClickBank is home to over 100,000 affiliates worldwide who choose ClickBank as their preferred marketplace. Are you looking for a platform with less complex paperwork or agreements? Then ClickBank is the right place for you. The tricky part is how to make money with ClickBank. But worry not, I got you. Look at this scenario. A typical guide for beginners is they sign up for ClickBank, look for any product that they feel they could sell and could get higher commission for it, and now wait for the sales to generate. But after some time, no money is coming in. There are no sales. There is no traffic on the product. What is the most likely conclusion? Yes, you've got that right. The platform sucks. Or something like, people keep lying that someone could make money from the platform. Have you ever heard of such comments? Well, there's a step-by-step guide on how to make money on ClickBank as a beginner. ClickBank offers two ways in which one could make money. The first way is through selling your products on the platform. And the second way is listing other people's product on the platform. Regardless of which way you pick, you will be able to earn a commission from each sale of the products listed. One can earn a commission as low as 1% and as high as 75%, depending on what product you choose and how you choose to market such product. The first step is listing your product on ClickBank is to sign up on the platform by creating your account. For you to become a seller, you will be required to pay a fee of $49.95, which is a one-time activation fee for your account. After this is done, you go ahead and list your products and select a commission percentage that you're willing to pay an affiliate marketer who chooses to market your product. Having a website where you blog is an added advantage as an affiliate marketer. Through the website, you can grow your traffic and market someone else's product. When you already have traffic, is way much easier. The users of ClickBank who choose to market your product drive sales to your product, and you start making good profits. Have you heard of a landing page? In just simple words, a landing page is the first page people see when they click the link to your website. You want to make sure your landing page is inviting, informative, has a clear call to action, and incorporates the use of visual information. And if you are selling your products online, a website is a must-have, right? When the affiliate marketers on ClickBank send traffic to your website, you have to make sure that they don't click out of your website. You will do this by having a user-friendly landing page, a clear call to action, and an easy way to navigate the website. Traffic doesn't always equal to sales. This is a misconception that we need to demystify. Let's say you are selling an ebook, and because growing a business takes time, you may not sell 1,000 copies immediately. ClickBank can act as a platform where people get to know about your website, and they would relate to some of your blog posts. Interacting with them in the comments section can also be a platform to market your products to them. Maybe your blog could be about yoga, and on your website, you have a shop section where you sell yoga mats and yoga pants. As we had mentioned earlier, there are two ways of making money on ClickBank. We have covered one of them, so let's move to the next. The other way is that you can make money on ClickBank as a beginner is by listing other people's products. Once you sign up as an affiliate marketer on ClickBank, you have access to over 4,000 different products listed on the platform. So how do you determine which products to promote? One can't know if a product will sell, but there are a few tips that will increase the chances of a product success. One way of determining the product you will promote is asking yourself, what am I good at? Which areas do I have expertise in? Let's use the examples we had used earlier. Let's say you love yoga, and you have extensive knowledge when it comes to yoga. You are more likely to convince people to enroll in a yoga class and purchase yoga mats and pants, since you will be speaking from the point of expertise and something that you enjoy doing. Another way is to research best performing products on ClickBank. Marketing is all about understanding customers' needs and meeting them at their pain point. Identify a need in the market and seek to satisfy that need. Opting for a market with different products is another strategy one could use. Complementary products could help grow traffic on your website. Let's say you are selling gym wear. Having complementary products such as protein shake and supplements sets you apart from your competitors. Now you have identified which products you want to promote. The next step is to go thoroughly through the vendors page to ensure that their products are of good quality and they are trustworthy. You want a vendor that will pay you your commission once you drive sales to their website. The goal here is to make money, so make sure you do your research on vendors very well. Once you have identified a trustworthy vendor, the next step is to market their products. As an affiliate marketer, a website is a must-have. If you currently don't have one, you could use a free domain site, and then later you could invest in your website. The essence of writing articles related to your niche is to grow traffic on your website. The use of SEO, search engine optimization, when writing your articles will help your website rank among the top in Google searches, hence increasing traffic. You could also write posts on Facebook and Instagram that contain links to your website. The more people who click those links, the more traffic to your website. Once you have gotten the traffic, now market the ClickBank products to your audience. More traffic on your website increases your potential to make money on ClickBank. You want to make sure that you're writing an SEO optimized and engaging articles on your website. Newsletters are a great way of engaging with your audience, and it is a great market tool to market the ClickBank products. Since newsletters create one-on-one interactions with your audience, you also want to make sure that your website is functional and error-free. Now, what are some of the mistakes that affiliate marketers make that you would want to avoid? The first mistake is selecting a niche in which they have little to no information. Remember, you have to deliver quality to receive quality. If you deliver quality and informative articles, you are more likely to maintain your audience. The second mistake is not using SEO. Articles that are not SEO optimized are hard to find, since they do not incorporate the use of keywords. If people can't find your content, then how do you plan on growing your traffic? The third mistake is neglecting the readability of your content. Remember, you want to capture the attention of the reader so that they can stick around for a longer time and probably come back. Make sure your articles are readable by using simple sentences that are interesting and easy to follow. Well, there you have ClickBank explained, and tips and tricks on how to make money on ClickBank as a beginner. And by reaching this point, we mark the end of this video. What do you think of ClickBank? And now that you have all the information, would you consider being an affiliate marketer on ClickBank? Comment below, let's engage. Also, please leave a like, share this video to your friends and family, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you are notified every time we upload a new video. We hope that you have learned how ClickBank works and how you can make money as a beginner in 2022. See you in the next one.